Hi, I'm Miss Hall, and in this lesson we're going to talk about binary unique values. Like always, I think it's easiest to start off with our decimal numbering system as a starting point. So think about if we have a single digit in our decimal numbering system, the highest number we can represent is 9, and the smallest is 0. So we can represent all numbers between 0 and 9, which is 10 possible values. If we add a second digit, we can now represent up to the number 99. So 0 through 99 is 100 unique values. Let's add one more digit. The highest we can represent is 999. So we can do 0 through 999, which is 1,000 unique values. You should notice that the possible unique values, every time we add a digit, gets multiplied by 10. Let's compare that to binary values. So now in binary, I'm going to write the place value underneath. This is the first ones place. The highest number we can represent is a 1 in this place. We can represent the digits, or the numbers 0 through 1, which is 2 possible. If I add a second digit, so we have the first place value, and then we have the 2's place value, and I turn both of these on to 1, the highest number I can represent is 3, which is 4 unique values. If I add one more, these are the place values of 1, 2, and 4. If I turn all of them on, the highest number I can represent is 7, which is 8 possible. So in binary, every time I add a digit, I double the amount of unique values that I can represent. Let's practice the binary unique value skill. What is the largest value that can be represented by 5 binary digits? So let me write these 5 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1's place, 2's place, 4's, 8's, 16. So if I put a 1, which is the highest number I could put at each place value, and then I take 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, I get, 10 plus 5 is 15, I get 31. So the largest value that can be represented by 5 binary digits is 31. Okay, final skill, binary unique values level 2. A computer database uses a binary sequence of 4 bits to represent unique user IDs. To increase the number of unique IDs that the database is able to represent, the database administrator increases the number of bits in a user ID to 6 bits. How many times more unique user IDs can be represented with the new system? Okay, so the old system was 4 bits. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, which means you can represent 0 to 15 unique IDs, which is 16 unique IDs. And the new system is going to add 2 more bits, 1632. So now you'll be able to represent up to the number 63, which is 64 unique possibilities. So in other words, for each bit that we added, we doubled the available options, and we added 2 bits. So we doubled and then doubled again, which is 4 times as many user IDs. Another way is, now that we have 64 and 16, you could take 64 divided by 16 and see that that's 4 times as many. And finally, for every bit that you add, you're doubling. So we doubled and then we doubled, or we did 2 squared, which is 4. So those are 3 different ways to represent that. What is happening is that we are quadrupling the amount of unique IDs when we add 2 bits.